Hey everyone, welcome to this week's video. This may end up being our last video for a while. With all of you coming back to school, we haven't talked about what the future of these videos might look like. So no, we're going to continue to recognize students with postcards, but I think our weekly assemblies via video might be something that needs to change. At the very least, the time will need to change because some of you will be at recess next week at 10 o'clock. So we're still figuring out how that's all going to work, so be patient with this, but this may be our last video for a while, so hope that you enjoy. We're starting this week with a video that office staff put together. They are the ones who have been hard at work painting and hiding rocks for you guys to find. So they tell me they're just going to be doing this. They're just going to be hiding them on Fridays from now on. So, anyway, hope you enjoy this week's video and have a great week.
Hello, my name is Presley, and the movie I would like to recommend for some of you to watch is the Bee Movie. The main characters in the movie are Barry and Vanessa. The movie is about a normal bee named Barry, who realized how hard bees work to make honey, and also finds out humans are just wasting it by eating it all the time, then figures out how to fix his problem. The producer for this movie is Jerry Sinfield, and the movie was made in 2007. I rate this movie a 9.5 out of 10 because this movie makes me happy every time I watch it. I would recommend this movie to someone who likes entertaining and funny movies.
All right, everyone, Pride postcard recipients this week. Congratulations to this week's winner, who is Layla. So, Layla, next time you're on campus, come on by the office and collect your prize.
That time again, postcards from Charlie. Let's see where he's been lately. Hi everybody, hope you had a great spring break. I spent mine at the ranch. I spent some time with the horses, spent some time laying around the bunkhouse, did a lot of hard work. My favorite part about being at the ranch is the horses. I love feeding the horses and spending time with them. But sometimes they're afraid of me. I hope you're all staying safe and healthy. Wear your mask and wash your hands. I'll see you soon.
Hi guys, this is my chicken Sunny. This is my little baby Pom Pom, and he's good at balancing on fingers if he stay. And mine is good at staying on my hand and not falling. Mine is the smallest out of the 7 of ours. Zeke's just flew out of his hand. Come here, buddy. They like to play around. They're very loud. Hey, buddy. And in this coop right here, we have the rest of our little chicken nabobs. This is my second favorite, Poofy. Now you come out of there and we like holding you on. My chicken is more comfortable with one hand and not being tackled. And my chicken's more comfortable with being on my finger. He likes it. And he also does this. He also does this. He will stay on my shirt. Hey, buddy. And that's our video. Bye-bye.
Okay, that's all that we have for this week. You guys have a great week, and still not sure, as I said before, what the future of these videos are, but we'll definitely be putting some things together. So if you still have a pet video you want to share, you have a book, a movie, or a video game review you would like to submit, please do go ahead and submit those, and we'll find a way to put those together. Maybe not just in weekly assemblies. Anyway, we're still figuring out what that's going to look like, but the parts that you guys contribute are always the best. So please keep creating content, and have a great week. All right, bye guys.